The Breath Alcohol Analyzer is a handheld law enforcement instrument for use as preliminary roadside screening tests of alcohol influence used for evidentiary purposes, the results of which are used for prosecuting traffic offenders based on the principle of fuel cell technology. The device checks with reliable accuracy with touchscreen. It has the ability to store a testing records maximum 50,000, ensures accurate alcohol readings, password management. Why Sanchar Breath Alcohol Analyzer 01? Great tool to control and protect law enforcement. Determine the amount of alcohol in the system of persons suspected of being intoxicated. Provides evidences of use of force incidents. As your BAC rises, you can get clumsy and take longer to react. You may not make good choices either. These things make driving dangerous. Where we use: traffic management, police station, railways, airport, hospitals, malls, hotels, offices, factory, mines, etc.
Basic specifications:
fuel sensor accuracy and reliance, active and passive mode for testing, built-in thermal printer, optional portable thermal printer, Bluetooth, temperature, USB, mouthpiece with anti-backflow design for health and safety. Switchable result units like milligrams per liter, milligrams per 100 milliliter, grams per liter, percent blood alcohol content, percent infinity blood alcohol content. 2.8-inch colorful touchscreen and simply keyboard. Store collected data to any PC via USB cable. Pre-calibrated sensor module, easy for maintenance. 2500 mAh long-lasting Li-ion rechargeable battery. This is the Breath Alcohol Analyzer 01 with printer. You get other accessories like 5 mouthpiece, 3 thermal rolls, 1 wall adapter for charging, 1 car charger, data cable, hand clip. This is power circuit and this is USB circuit. We will connect the device via power adapter, then the red light will glow on the power on and off button of the device. This is a car adapter through which we can charge the device by connecting it to the car. This is a data cable through which we can connect the device to any PC and laptop, and all its data can be saved in the PC with the help of software. This is a hand clip. It looks like this, and after applying it, we can carry the device easily. This is an inbuilt thermal printer in which the thermal roll is applied in such a way. This is a power on-off button. The device power on while press and hold it for 3 seconds. This is a mouthpiece where the single dot is visible in it. We have to put it with the sensor of the device like this. From mouthpiece, air in by blowing from here, and there will be air out from here. To check the alcohol test from the device, press this function key. Test from device. We can also test by pressing the function key and clicking on the test option where test is written on the screen. A pen is also available with the device for the touch screen so that you can work comfortably on the device's display. When we click on test option, then air blow will be appear on the screen of the device. Then we have to blow air through the help of mouthpiece. This test called as an active test. After blowing the air, there will be a cut sound in the device, and then alco test analyzing option will appear on the device screen. After alco test analyzing the device, the result will appear on the screen like in units. Clean fail. After this we have to fill the information of any person who has taken alcohol by click on enter option and otherwise press a function button. After entering the vehicle number option will appear in which we have to fill the details of the vehicle, then click on enter option and otherwise press a function button. After entering the license number option will appear in which we have to fill the details of the license, then click on enter option and otherwise press a function button. After entering, option will come to print whether we want to print or cancel print. For a print, we have to click on the print option and otherwise press the function button. After selecting the print option, the print will be taken out from the device's inbuilt thermal printer. This is the print receipt in which you can see that many options are being shown like device ID, record number, date and time, temperature, result, type clean or fail, last calibration, next calibration, test, address, vehicle number, license number, tester signature, police ID. To keep the pan with touch screen display in this way with the device. This is the 2.8-inch colorful touch screen with simply 3 function buttons. Through the option of next calibration, we can easily see the calibration validity date of our device. Click cancel for exit. Next option is print. Through a print option, we can set how many receipts of print copy we want in hard copy. Click cancel for exit. Next option is time. Through a time option, we can manually modify a date and time and make sure each time it will require a password for entering in this setup. Click cancel for exit. Fourth option is unit. Through a unit option, we can easily select alcohol measurement units according to user requirements like 2.00 mg per liter, 440 mg per 100 ml, 4.000 gram per liter, etc. and make sure each time it will require a password for entering in this setup. Click cancel for exit. Next option is police ID. Through a police ID option, you can create the name or ID number of the officer who is using that device and make sure each time it will require a password for entering in this setup. Click cancel for exit. Through a password option, user can modify device password and make sure each time it will require a password for entering in this setup. Click cancel for exit. Through a delete record option, we can delete older records and make sure each time it will require a password for entering in this setup. Click cancel for exit. Through an alarm level option, we can change the measurement value of pass and fail according to requirements of user and make sure each time it will require a password for entering in this setup. Click cancel for exit. Through other setup option, we can select the language that is by default in English language, as well as touch set option is used for screen calibration. Click cancel for exit. This is inbuilt thermal printer. This is USB circuit for device charging and data transferring. There is inside a battery in the back side of the device. On clicking the record button, we can check all the old records, and if there is a need to take a print, then we can also take a print. We can check old records through where the next and last option is showing in the records. If you press the function key to print any receipt inside the records, the printout will be taken out. Contact your nearest Sanchar representative and follow us on